Inputs and outputs. You guys probably have heard of these with regards to the function machine. You input something, you do some stuff to it, and then you poop out a number. So when we do this here, we're going to be inputting numbers and figuring out the output, or vice versa. So something you can use to help you out is a little saying, Dr. XY lost his ID. Okay? So here we go. Domain is my X values, and my X values are independent. Independent numbers are input values. Woohoo, input values. My range is all of my Y values. My Y values are dependent. They depend on what you do. So these are our output values. So when it says the input is 7, it's telling me that my X value is 7. So I can put a 7 in place of X. So Y equals 3. Instead of that X, I'm going to put parentheses 7. And yes, you should use parentheses. They're really important that you do that. And hey, look, I only have one variable, so now I just do a little bit of math. So 3 times 7 is 21. Guys, if you're not super great at that, just use your calculator. I'm not going to judge you. It's going to be alright. Minus 5. 21 minus 5. Anybody? Anybody? 16. Okay. So the output is 16 when the input was 7. Cool? You're feeling awesome now. Let's see if you can do it backwards. What is the input when the output is 10? So if the output is 10, it's telling me that my Y value is 10. So I have to put a 10 over here. Ta-da! Oh no, miss, I don't know how to do it. That's okay. I'll help you. The first thing we want to do is we're going to get that 5 over there with the 10. So right now the 5 is negative, or it's a minus. So the opposite of that would be to add 5, because I want them to go over here. And in order to cross, you have to do the opposite. So we're going to add 5 on both sides. 10 plus 5 is 15. We have our 3x still, and negative 5 and positive 5 cancel, which is what I wanted to happen. So that's exciting. Next step, I have to get that 3 away from the x. So right now 3 touching the x means 3 times x. So the opposite of times is, you're right, division. So we're going to divide by 3 on both sides. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And I'm left with an x. So when my output is 10, my input is